You are standing at the counter, the barista is looking at you, and your mind just goes blank. We have all been there. Take a deep breath. Welcome back to the English Room. I am Emma.
And I am David. Today, we are conquering the coffee shop. No more panic, just perfect natural English orders.
In this video, we will use the shadowing method. You will listen to the native phrase and then practice repeating it out loud in a safe, quiet space.
Let's begin with step 1, the greeting. In real life, native speakers rarely say, "Give me a coffee," but keep it polite and simple. Instead, we say, "Hi, can I get a..." Listen again. "Hi, can I get a..."
Now it's your turn. Repeat after me. Hi, can I get a... Pause for 3 seconds. Excellent. You're already sounding more natural.
Excellent work. Now let's build on that. Step 2, the size and the drink. Keep it simple. You just need 3 words: small, medium, or large. Listen closely. Medium latte. Let's combine it with what we just learned. Say, "Hi, can I get a medium latte?" Pause for 4 seconds. That was perfect. But wait, do you want it hot or iced? Native speakers usually add this before the drink name. For example, an iced Americano. Let's build the full sentence together. Listen. Hi, can I get a large iced Americano? Now you try. Pause for 4 seconds. You are doing so well. A quick tip. If you forget to say hot or iced, the barista will simply ask you. Don't panic. It's not a test.
What if you don't drink regular milk? Step 3 is adding your milk preference. Just say, with oat milk or with almond milk. Let's add that to our sentence. Don't forget the magic word, please. Listen. Hi, can I get a medium latte with oat milk, please? It's a bit longer, but you can do it. Repeat after me. Hi, can I get a medium latte with oat milk, please? Pause for 5 seconds. You nailed it.
Excellent. Now, the barista needs to know how to pack your drink. Step 4, for here or to go.
If you want to stay, say, for here, please. If you're leaving, say, to go, please. Let's practice. Say, to go, please. Pause for 3 seconds. Fantastic.
A quick cultural tip. In American English, we usually say to go. In British or Australian English, you'll hear takeaway. Both are universally understood.
We're almost done. Step 5 is paying. The barista will say your total, like, that'll be $4.50.
You can simply hold up your card and ask, "Can I pay by card?" Listen and repeat. "Can I pay by card?" Pause for 4 seconds. Very good.
Look at that. You just learned all 5 steps to order coffee like a native. No panic, just clear communication.
Knowing the steps is great, but practicing them in real time is how we truly build confidence. It's time for our full POV simulation.
Imagine you are walking into the coffee shop. It smells like roasted beans. The barista smiles at you. Just relax and let's listen to the full conversation first at normal speed.
Barista, hi, what can I get for you today? You, hi, can I get a medium latte with oat milk, please? Barista, for here or to go? You, to go, please.
Did that feel a little fast? We have all been there. Don't worry. Native speakers link their words together, which makes it sound faster than it actually is.
For example, can I gedda often sounds like can I gedda. Listen closely. Can I gedda? Try it with me. Very smooth.
Now let's practice the complete order at a natural pace. I'll be the barista and you'll read your lines on screen. Are you ready? Let's go. Hi, what can I get for you today? Pause for 5 seconds. Perfect. You ordered the medium latte.
Now I'll ask the follow-up question. Ready? For here or to go? Pause for 3 seconds. Excellent. To go it is.
Great job. Now the final step. I'll tell you the price and you ask to pay by card. Your total is $4.50. Pause for 4 seconds. Spot on.
You just successfully ordered coffee, modified your drink, and paid, all in English. How does it feel? Take a moment to be proud of yourself.
Before we finish, let's lock these phrases into your memory. Repetition is the key to fluency.
Here are your 3 core survival phrases. 1. Hi, can I get a? 2. With oat milk, please. 3. To go, please. Take a screenshot now.
The next time you stand at that counter, your mind won't go blank. You have the exact words you need, and we're right here cheering you on.
Now it's your turn to practice. Your homework for today. Tell us your favorite coffee order in the comments below using the formula we just learned.
If this video helped you feel more confident, give it a thumbs up and save it to your playlist so you can practice again before your next coffee run. Subscribe to the English Room for more real-life English practice. Keep practicing, stay confident, and we'll see you in the next room. Bye!